Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cancel your subscriptions on Amazon, whether it be Amazon Prime or a channel that you guys subscribe to, for example, Disney Plus, Starz, Hulu. This is how you manage all of that. Recently on my Firestick, I subscribed to Starz, so I would be able to watch the newest Spider-Man movie. So today I'm going to be canceling that. So open up your Amazon app on your phone, go down to the very bottom right, you see those three dots, not dots, lines. You're going to click on that. And then under this screen, you'll see multiple options. You're going to click on your account. So under this new window, you're going to scroll down a little bit and under account settings. So scroll down to the very bottom of the account settings section and you'll see memberships and subscriptions. So you're going to click on that. And as you can see, I currently have 2 subscriptions / memberships. And as you can see, Starz is active here. So we're going to click on that, but you're going to click on whatever subscription you're trying to cancel. So I'm going to click on Starz. So under this section is where it gets a little bit confusing. Like I don't understand why they don't just have a cancel membership button, but you're going to have to go under advanced controls where it says video settings, click on that. And then you're going to scroll down to the very bottom and there you'll see cancel channels. So that is why you needed this tutorial, because it was a little bit hard to find. So I'm going to be canceling my subscription here by clicking on cancel channels. And then again, it just prompts you like, are you sure you want to cancel this? So right there, turn off auto renew and watch until Jan 20th. So I'm going to click on that, or you could keep your subscription and just continue paying for it, but we're not going to do that here. So I'm going to turn off auto renew, and there we go. Your subscription to Starz will not be renewed. So that is how you cancel a subscription on Amazon. You have to go through so many windows. So if this was confusing for you guys, let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. And to support tutorials like this one, feel free to subscribe. Have a fantastic day.